Alright, what is up everybody? Today this guy is going to show you how to apply heat transfer vinyl, or HTV, to any fabric. So here you see I am wearing this shirt. Remember everyone deployed. I made this with HTV, and we're going to show you how to do the same. Alright, so we're currently inside the Cricut design space. We have the pattern that we will be putting on the shirt. So now we come over here, we click Make It. So now you can see what it's going to look like on the mat. So we can come over here, and this is very important when you're working with HTV, to click this mirror here. So now it's going to flip it, and when it's put on the shirt, it will be the right way. But we just have to flip it at this time. Alright, so we're here ready to put this on here. So we're going to make sure that this side that feels almost rubbery is the side that's put up. And the plastic shiny side is the side that is put down. Because this will be the part that's actually sticking onto the shirt, and that's what we have to cut. So we're gonna start up here, and we already measured it to make sure this will fit. And usually when people work with HTV, they're gonna use a green mat instead of the blue mat because it's stickier. But we don't have a green mat right now, so we are going to just stick some tape here and here. Alright, there you see we got it taped down and ready to be cut. Alright, so the next step is to load the material. But first I wanted to point out, it says iron on up here, and it says make sure mirror is turned on. We know that the mirror is turned on, so we can continue. It's really nice that they put this here, because if you don't have the mirror turned on, it will end up making your image mirrored, and that's not good. So, we are gonna go ahead and load the material. Alright, so here we have it ready to be weeded. So, as you can see, there is a lot of space right here that won't be on the shirt that we're going to have to weed out. So I'm going to go ahead and snip this section out, because this is still salvageable material that can be put on a different shirt rather than wasting it here. Alright, so here you can see that we got everything weeded out that we don't want on our shirt. So we're going to go ahead and continue on. Alright, so when we're going to go to lay out this, I like to look right here and right here where the sleeves end at the bottom and come together with the shirt. I'm just going to eyeball that line with the center of where I want it. So we're going to leave this right here. You can also draw a line from here to here and make sure that is in the center. But I am liking it right here. So we are going to take a pillowcase, and we are going to put it over like this. And then we are going to take our iron and press it down. We're not going to slide it, we're just going to press it down, because if you try to slide it, what will happen is the the picture will get distorted, and if there's a line like this and you slide across it, the line will be like curved. So we're just gonna press down for a few seconds. We're gonna pick it up, we're gonna move over. We're just gonna do this across the whole shirt. Alright, so we got it ironed on with this. We're removing this, and we're gonna just see if it's gonna work. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna peel it, and if it wants to stick to the shirt rather than this plastic, then we're good. But if it is struggling to come off, then that indicates that we probably could pull it off. But we're gonna go ahead and see about just going over it one more time with the iron. Alright, so we're testing it again. As you're gonna see, it's coming off a lot easier this time. Alright, so here we got it peeling off the shirt. So we're gonna put it back down and just focus on this spot because the rest of it seems to be doing pretty well. Alright, so we've removed that. We'll put this back down and go over it one more time. We don't want to spend too much time on it because what can happen is if it gets too hot, it will start to wrinkle. Alright, so here we have the final shirt. It is still a little bit warm. But yeah, that is sticking on there good. I can run my hands across it. Nothing will come up. So yeah. One thing you're going to want to keep in mind is whenever you wash it, you should turn it inside out to prevent cracking. But other than that, it is a really good quality. So that's it.